Welcome back, everyone. This is video 3, and the final video in our Cisco Packet Tracer beginner series. In the first video, we learned how to navigate the Packet Tracer interface and understand devices. In the second video, we learned how to configure devices, mainly using the CLI. In this video, we're going to do something a little different. We're not focusing on configuration. We're focusing on understanding what actually happens inside the network. This is where simulation mode comes in. By default, Packet Tracer runs in real-time mode, meaning everything happens instantly. Simulation mode lets us slow the network down step by step and actually see packets move between devices. Think of it like this. Real-time mode is normal speed. Simulation mode is slow motion with X-ray vision. This mode is extremely powerful for learning, especially when you're a beginner. Let's look at the bottom right corner of Packet Tracer. Here, you'll see two buttons, Real-Time and Simulation. I'll click on Simulation. Notice something important. Nothing is broken. The network didn't stop working. We've simply paused time so we can observe what's happening. Once we're in simulation mode, the simulation panel appears. This panel is where we control how packets move through the network. As a beginner, you only need to know 4 buttons: play, pause, step forward, reset simulation. I like to think of this like a video player. Play runs the simulation, step forward moves one event at a time. Above the controls, we have the event list. This is one of the most important concepts in simulation mode. The event list is basically a timeline of packet activity. Each row represents one packet, one action, and one moment in time. As a beginner, I want you to focus on just 3 things: the source device, the destination device, the protocol name. Ignore the rest for now. We're watching movement, not memorizing details. Right now, nothing is happening because no traffic exists, so we need to generate traffic. I'll open a PC, go to the command prompt, and run a simple ping. Ping is perfect for learning. It's simple, it's predictable, and it creates packets we can observe. Now watch what happens in the event list. I'll press step forward, you'll see the packet leave the PC, go to the switch, possibly reach the router, and then come back. This is a very important idea. Packets don't magically appear at the destination. They move hop by hop, device by device. You'll notice protocol names like ICMP and ARP. At this stage, you don't need to understand how they work. Just know this: ICPM is used by ping. ARP is how devices ask, "Who has this IP address?" Recognition is enough for now. Now let me show you something powerful, but we'll keep it simple. If I click on a packet at a device, I can open PDU information. This window shows what that device sees inside the packet. You'll notice a lot of details here: layers, fields, and numbers. Important rule: do not try to understand everything here yet. For now, only look at the source, the destination, and the protocol name. Think of this as a quick peek inside the packet. We'll come back to this later. As networks grow, the event list can get busy. Filters help reduce noise. For beginners, I recommend filtering only ICMP and ARP. This keeps the simulation clean and focused. At any point, you can reset the simulation, clear the event list, and run the same ping again. This is how learning happens. Observe, reset, repeat. This brings us to the end of our Cisco Packet Tracer beginner series. Let's quickly recap. In video 1, we learned the Packet Tracer interface and device windows. In video 2, we configured devices using the CLI. In video 3, we learned how to see and understand network behavior. You can now navigate Packet Tracer, configure basic devices, and observe how packets move through a network. That's a strong foundation. If you haven't watched the first 2 videos, I highly recommend starting there. Links are in the description. If this series helped you, consider liking the video and subscribing. In future videos, we'll build on this foundation with troubleshooting, VLANs, and routing, step by step. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.